Alright, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial here on how to install the EG881 file for the escalators and for a bunch of other parts on Skyscraper Simulator. And let's go ahead and get started. So, if you're having problems running Skyscraper, then I recommend going to the Skyscraper Simulator forum, downloading it from here, and clicking on the download links, and clicking on skyscrapersim.net. And you can either download from two options: the release version 2.0 Alpha 10 Update 6 from January 30th, 2017, or the new development version from November 6, 2022, for Windows 7 through 11. And if you get errors running it, please install the C++ runtime if you get errors. But yeah, let's go ahead and install the EG881. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this website, skyscrapersim.net. I'll put the link in the description. Download Skyscraper and click on All Downloads. And then you're going to want to click Custom, and here you can see all the EG881 IP releases. And you're going to want to click on the latest version, which in this case is build 11, so I'm going to click on that and download it. But since I already downloaded it, I don't have to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this and open up Files, which has Skyscraper Simulator, the folder here, and you can find that by going wherever you located Skyscraper, and here you can see all the data. But you know, here's EG881, but it's on here, but the escalators do not work unless you install this. They don't actually function. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a split screen here, and open up a Windows Explorer on this side. And we're going to click Downloads. I'm going to go ahead and 7-zip this. And it should be just about done. And there we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And see, I'm in the split screen now. So, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to click on, see, this Buildings folder. And what you're going to want to do is drag all of these. You're going to want to click on Buildings here and here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag all these, or I could just copy and paste it for another time, so that's what I'll go ahead and do. And it's going to say there's already a file with this name in the same location. You're going to want to click Copy and Replace, and yes, we want to do this for the next 30 conflicts. We're going to click Copy and Replace, and yes, we're going to replace all these, because we got to make sure that we have the real buildings from EG881 from skyscrapersim.net. Okay, so that part's done. Next, what you want to do is go to the data folder here, the data, and go to the data here. And you're going to want to copy all this here and paste everything except for the fonts. Do not replace the fonts. So just do not click all current items yet, just wait till you find the fonts. So let's see. Where's the fonts? You're gonna skip the fonts, and then keep doing it for the rest. So there we go. And it's gonna say there's already a file with the same name and the location. Yes, we're gonna copy and replace all this. And there we go. So all this is in here. And as you can see, look at all that data. So there you have it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and delete all these that are here over here. So we're going to delete the EG881 integration project, delete Escalator 2011. I don't know if that worked. No, delete. There we go. Delete Encode Basic Stairwell Creator. Delete Object Plus. And delete SROC. So now what you're going to want to do is copy all these and paste them into the Skyscraper folder. And there we go. Skyscraper should be ready to go now. We've got all the data, buildings, and blah 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 this for everything we need to run Skyscraper. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this and run Skyscraper Simulator. We're going to click on this, and we're gonna run an escalator building, which in this case we're gonna go ahead and run a building that doesn't take too long to load. We're gonna load the Northeast Trade Convention Center. There it is. And it's gonna take a couple of seconds to load, so I'll pause here. Okay, so that did take about 2 to 3 minutes to load. I know it takes a while. So anyways, it loaded successfully, and now it looks like everything is working perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and test the cabs, make sure everything's working. I think it's always this one, isn't it? Yes, it is. So, you know, there's no escalators here, but you can see the EG881 is working. There's no escalators in this part here, but I will show you. We're going to take this up to 5, and I'm going to go ahead and show you, so I'll pause and we'll be right back. Okay, so we just got to 5, and I have to walk to the other side of the plaza of the convention center, so I'll be right back and I'll show you where we end up. Okay, so we made it to the other side, and here's where the escalators will be at. So once you get to 507A, turn left. And here's where the main part of the building is, you'll see. We got all that stuff here, and there's the escalators, and let's make sure they're properly moving, which I believe they are. Let's see. I gotta do this to see the escalators. Function F5. There we go. Look at that. They're working. And yes, we're actually moving on them. But, of course, I just like to run. So I hope this helped in this Trade Convention Center video, and it helps with you for EG881. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. I hope it helps. And don't forget to subscribe, and, oh, now I gotta turn it off. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. That's it.